What are your thoughts on the value of these in-person networking events? What kind
I
of value do you put on
I
those?
love it. I mean, before I even bought the first one, that was back when Coin Laundry had their individual. So out here in California, we had SoCal CLA, which then I ended up joining the board, and I was president for a while before they consolidated back to just Coin Laundry Association.
Right.
And they still host some. They try to do events in different markets. Maybe I think quarterly to every 6 months right now. So they're less frequent, but still great opportunities. I feel like this industry has changed so much from when I started that people are a lot more open that are coming into the industry, especially with all the new tech and um, all of those advancements within the laundry industry that hadn't really been there before.
Mhm.
It's brought younger people, much smarter than me people. So I want to meet all of those people and see what they're doing. I mean, we can see the pictures online. I mean, the laundromats being built these days are not the laundromats being built 20, 30 years ago. I mean, people we're doing the quartz counters, we're putting in fancy lights, we're removing the drop down ceiling. It's more aesthetically pleasing now than just you have a machine to wash and a dryer to dry and get in and out, and it's your worst chore of the week. Where new laundromat owners, I feel like, are really thinking about that. Yes, this is something that has to be done, but it doesn't have to be your worst chore of the week. It doesn't have to be hot and miserable while you're folding clothes.
Right.
And so going to these events, not only do I get to meet the people that I'm talking to on Facebook and seeing and that are answering my questions, but then I mean, it's just a great opportunity to bring a meeting of the minds and get to go to dinner, have drinks with these people. Plus, then either like Excellence has the daily events and bring in speakers that specialize in stuff that sometimes isn't even necessarily just laundry, but an overall marketing for growing and different speakers like that. So it's just a great opportunity to get together and write something off on your taxes.